I'm Jani from the state of Oregon, and my travel partner is Brenda, who's from Hawaii. And we're just finishing up a 32-day trip to India and through Nature Safari India. This is our second custom trip. Last year we went in April for 22 days, visited Agra to see the Taj Mahal, as well as 5 tiger parks with excellent sightings. And because we had such a great experience, we decided to create another itinerary, and this time for 32 days. And we decided to focus not only on the cultural aspect of the city of Varanasi, but also to go to other national parks, focusing on Kaziranga for the one-horned rhino, to Sariska for the leopard and tiger, and we actually saw a hyena, to Bharatpur, where there is a famous bird sanctuary, and to Ranthambore, where we saw tigers, leopards, and a jungle cat, and to Bara, where we saw leopards living in caves and on rock formations, to Gir, where we saw the Asiatic lion as well as leopard. And we rounded out our trip by going to Pench National Park, hoping to see the melanistic leopard, but we saw beautiful tigers instead. And the reason we selected to return with this company, Nature Safari India, is because of the excellent communication, the ease with which it was to create an itinerary, the fact that the company could book our park permits, our hotel accommodations, our in-flight or domestic airlines. We were met by Deep, who met us at the Delhi airport, to and from the airport each time we returned to Delhi as part of our trip. The communication of calling us on cell phones when we were moving from park to park,